Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, so the reason we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate system. It's affiliate system, it's 80% recurring income. That means you get paid every single month, 80% of the sales that you bring in. That's fantastic. So if you're an affiliate marketer, this is the product to promote, my guys. Anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here, and it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page so I can show you guys real results, show you guys if I really made it. Okay, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and not a big deal. So the first and foremost thing we want to do is get you guys your links here. That's the first thing you want to do. You want your link so you can promote this product here. This is the link that I personally use. Works well for me, the all-in-one business, if you're interested in the link that I use. All right guys, so first and foremost, you can start this out and get your link by clicking on the link in the description. It's gonna say incomespeech.com, something like that. You click on it, it takes you to this page right here. Now what this page is, it's the sales letter for the $25 business, and it just tells you all about it. And ultimately what it is that it's a funnel builder. Now if you're an affiliate marketer, you already know what that is. But if you're not an affiliate marketer, a funnel builder is basically a website you build to get somebody to buy something, and it's like in steps. And you can put it up in steps. It's like a website setup, and a lot of the stuff you buy online are funnels. So that's all it is. You set it up, you buy something, and it's $25 per month. Many steps that you want, many funnels you can make, and it's $25 per month. Now if you are a affiliate marketer and you buy funnels, you know that's a fantastic deal, because ClickFunnels is around $100 for limitations on it and all this and that, but they the first that started. That's why they the most popular with it. So, and people don't want to leave because they already don't start making money with it. But if they were to transfer and come to here and save a lot of money, because they're only paying $25 for the same setup. So yeah, it's just a really good product. Second, you can make $20 and $100 monthly commission. That means you can make $120 off of each customer, guys. Off of each customer. Alright, so that's fantastic. Alright. Third, they also give to charity. If you're interested in that, interested in charity, they give to charity. It's set up to send meals to Africa, stuff like that. Anyway, you decide, and it's a long sale letter. Talk about all kinds of stuff here. So anyway guys, you guys decide you want to try this out. Click on the green button, check the end right here. You just put in all your little information there, purchase it like that. Now one thing I want to mention here is that you get this product here for free when you click on my link. Now this product is HBA Premium. It gives you 2 weeks on learning how to set up ads, set up a blog, set up a YouTube channel, set up Instagram, TikTok, a blog post, article, whatever, right? And it has a AI content creation machine to help you out along the way. And yes, you can have that for free for 2 weeks if you use my link, guys. Now the coolest thing about this is that if you get a sale with this product in particular by promoting it, you will get that $100 there, guys. That's a $125. You'll get the $100. That's 80%. You will get that $100 even though you don't technically own the product, guys. Fantastic deal. Best I ever seen. Alright, so try that out. Now the second thing we need to do, guys, is get a link. Get a way to promote the product. My bad, sorry. There's a ton of ways to promote it here that I would say was more long-term type stuff and more put a little bit more work into. But what we're gonna do is show you the absolute easiest way to promote this product. And what's been working for me, I make money doing this. There's no reason for me not to do it every month. Alright, so that's the second link. You're gonna see a second link there. Click on that, it's gonna take you to this page here. Now what this page is my lead gen secrets, And what you do, you get 100 leads every single day that you can email once per day. So day 1, 100 leads, day 2, 200 leads. You know what I'm saying? Like that. And so once you sign in, do all the stuff you need to sign in, you wanna click on mailing system. Now we're gonna show you exactly what to do here. And you wanna make sure you mail all your leads here. Don't worry about that number there. One thing I wanna make sure I mention is that I'm using my worst account. I have 10 accounts. This is my worst performing one. All right. And the reason I'm using my worst performing one, because I wanna make sure you guys can make money doing this. All right. So, and you can do this. You could put in 100 leads. So I want to make sure I clarify. My other accounts are promoting other stuff. One of my accounts, I managed $5,000 in a month. Absolutely fantastic. One of my accounts, I managed to do that. It did it once. It ain't done it since, but it happened. You know, that can make money. But we're gonna show you guys the emails that we're gonna use, guys. So we're gonna go to we're gonna go to down here, guys. We're gonna use my email, my personal email. I was thinking of using a ChatGPT one, but I used up all the ChatGPT ones that were made like that. So we're gonna just use the email that started this whole thing. Now this is the email I used when I put it in. I put this in ChatGPT. I say write an email similar to this, and this is the email that I use, guys. Making money in my first week. I basically like this, blah blah blah. You guys want to copy? Hold up, let me slow it down. Pause, copy. Pause, copy. All right, that's the whole email. That's all you gotta do. Blah blah blah. Jump on this up. So anyway, we're gonna get perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around the time people check email. You know what else I'm gonna do, guys? I'm thinking about my picture in here. I haven't done that in a while. So my picture. Into it. Oh, I gotta be logged in. I gotta log in. I forget. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I don't forget what my log is. Okay, please be Google. It ain't Google. I don't know what it is. I ain't been on this site in forever, but my image is signature. So I just click on that. Copy image address, and then you come in right here. You can get something. And then what you can do, you want to put your own photo in there. Put it on Imgur. That's what I use. You're probably using it. Don't really. So you put in the URL. Boom. I'm gonna just make it a little smaller. That's good. All right, that's fantastic. Boom. Now we got my picture in there. All right, guys. Very good, very easy. You can do this if you want to. It's not necessary. I want to make sure I clarify that. As I was about to say, about doing it, but I figure, hey, why not? So that's all there is to it. That's the email, guys, that we're gonna use. And we're gonna make sure we get perfect timing. And what that does is send an email around time. People check emails. And we're gonna also check the preview and make sure the link works, guys. Link does. All right, send the email. All there is to it. Right, fantastic. I want to make sure you guys understand. Consistency is key when it comes to making money online. I want to run that across to you guys one more time. Consistency is the key. Consistency is the key of making money online. Not a special email, a special picture, a special post, or whatever it may be. Just keep doing them. Make sure you post it. That's the most important part. Post every single day. Make sure you post every single day something. All right, guys? That's how you make money online. Something. Make sure you're doing something. If it's on Instagram, if it was up to me, what I say right now, the best ways to make money online is shorts. That's YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and TikToks. Make them like crazy and post them on these 3 websites. In particular, you could do Twitter as well. but these three in particular. Twitter is a decent one as well, but these three in particular are the ones you want to focus on. When it comes to shorts, you keep making them. Don't worry about what they look like. Don't worry about you got a good enough quote or whatever it is you're doing. Don't worry about if it's in even 1080p or it look clear enough, whatever. Just keep posting them. Make really short TikToks and make sure to keep posting them every single day. And the more you can post, the better. At least once per day. At most about as much as you can possibly can, to be honest, without it dragging down your day, you know. So do that every single day, and I think you guys will make a ton of money. That's how you do it. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.